Thank you for taking the time to take part in our Program Advisory Committee. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn a little bit about the Institute of Technology. Let's take a look at the purpose and importance of our Program Advisory Committee. We take some time and we review the established curricula of the program. We look at the related program materials, the equipment and facilities. We discuss the achievement outcomes and what it takes to satisfy the ACCSC standards for accreditation. Taking a glance at the Institute of Technology's makeup, we currently have about 435 students. Some students attend school in the morning while others attend school in the afternoon or evening. Students will have a commitment of 4 days a week, while some students are committed to attending class 5 days a week. Our divisions of study include legal, medical, technical, and culinary. Program lengths are anywhere from 40 to 75 weeks, and the cost of our programs range between $15,000 and $35,000. Our campus is divided down into 3 buildings: the main building, the culinary building, and our classroom building. In total, we have 58,000 square feet of campus space. Here's a brief look at the focus of each 5-week module the welding students will complete during their education. Professional development focuses on a career readiness and workplace development. This includes, but is not limited to, resume preparation and job interview skills. Welding 100, while safety is emphasized in all modules, it is the focus of Welding 100. Additionally, basic math skills are refined and students are introduced to the tools of the trade. Additionally, students are introduced to oxyfuel, soldering, and brazing. In Welding 110, student focus is on preparing metals for welding. Students will be introduced to shielded metal arc welding, known as SMAW. In Welding 120, that covers the methods and procedures related to SMAW welding as well. In Welding 130, students will learn to control heat during each stage of welding, along with gas metal arc welding and TIG welding. Welding 140 ventures into safety techniques and will also look at how to produce various basic weld beads. In Welding 150, they venture into pipe welding while learning to prepare and perform open root V-groove welds. In Welding 160, students will focus on shielded metal arc welding and will learn to perform V-groove welds on pipe in all positions using SMAW equipment. Welding 170, students gain skills in gas metal arc welding. During the class, students will learn how to use gases on all different types of metals.
Hi, my name is Marissa Marzan, and I'm the Director of Admissions for the Institute of Technology. 2020 has shed light on the need for distance learning. We are considering moving our programs to a blended educational model. Students would continue to learn on campus, but at times would learn remotely. Do you think any part of this training could be completed online? If yes, what parts of the training are best suited for distance learning? And do you see any benefits or drawbacks to distance learning?
Hi, my name is Carol Smith. I'm the Director of Education here at IoT. Here are a few questions that are required by the school's accreditor, the Accrediting Commission of Career Schools and Colleges. If you could take a few moments and jot down any questions that you have for further discussion. The first question: does the course content reflect what graduates must know and be able to do in current occupational settings? Should any topic be added or removed from the subject matter? What skills are most important to you as an employer when you are hiring? Is the length of time required for training appropriate to meet the program objective? Is the course sequence appropriate to achieve the program objective? Do you feel positive about the school's method of training? And finally, what makes an employable graduate?
Hi, my name is Tim Kern. I'm the Director of Career Services at IoT in Clovis. Since my department deals with the needs and expectations of our employer partners, I have a few topics of discussion for you. First, what sort of salary ranges can our graduates expect after completing their program and entering the workforce? Also, what are your expectations of our graduates entering entry-level positions in regards to their technical skills, cognitive skills, communication skills, and professionalism? The completion and placement numbers are two key outcomes that help us measure the effectiveness of our programs and are reported to the school's accreditors. Completion being the percentage of students starting the program that end up graduating, and placement being the percentage of graduates that are employed in their field of study. The accreditor has set a benchmark of 55% for completion and 70% for placement. In 2020, the welding program achieved a 79% completion rate and a 50% placement rate.
This is Ron Gardner, the campus president of the Institute of Technology, and I want to take a moment to thank you for your participation. Your help and guidance allows us to deliver the best education possible to our students. We look forward to seeing you in future PAC meetings. Thank you.